Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll down to find the apps section. Now let's tap on special access, and right here let's localize the option install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, like in my case to install some content. And of course we can change it. Just tap on the app, for example Chrome, and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually your whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So as I said, it will work with all other apps, so just tap on it, tap on the switcher and come back. And the same situation if you want to turn it off, because you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on it, tap on the switcher and go back. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.